How's it going, everybody? Pete here at Spawn Fly Fish, and as you can see today we're going to talk about the Whiting Fly Tires Variety Pack. And a lot of you are already familiar with this product. A lot of you have maybe seen it and passed on it thinking, I don't know what's in there, are there any usable feathers, any of that good stuff. And the problem is they're all sealed, so you can't just open it and go, man, let me see what's in here. Well, have we got a deal for you today? Let's open it and see what's in there. Are you ready for this, folks? That's a lot of good stuff right there. So let's take a look and see what's in one of these variety packs from Whiting. And how does it get into one of these bags and not sold as something else? So clearly, these are all little bits and pieces, odds and ends that would not have made a full bag of whatever it might be, right? So clearly there's a lot of grizzly going on, and this is some amazing soft tackle here. As far as tying anything like from a game changer, this stuff would get it done in obviously a unique array of colors. So right there, in my book, it's worth having for that. But now let's get into all this other stuff. So you want to use soft tackles. Boom, you got, again, every color of soft tackle. You name it, you're going to tie it. So when you're doing collars, soft tackle collars, this stuff is going to be great. Tails, perfect. Panfish and bass type buggers or spun poppers, anything like that, and you need a big bushy tail. Again, there you go. So what else do we have? Let's see here. Looks like we might have some rooster as well as all that soft tackle. And so you're going to have some smaller, less webby fibers. Let's see if we can find a little better example here. There we go. So now let's get into what looks like some nice brown rooster. And guess what? You could definitely tie some dry flies with that. And if it's not going to float it the way you want, peel half those fibers, get twice as many wraps of that stuff in there. And I mean, you really get a nice looking hackle out of that. But there's some more. Just everything's in here. And now let's talk about some of this stuff. If you're into Coq de Leon, also known just as CDL, this is not CDL. However, it sure looks very similar, and you'd be hard pressed to put it on a fly and be able to tell the difference. So again, even that one piece is probably worth the price of the entire bag just because of all the great tails you can get on this. It's heavily modeled, and you're going to break up any pattern you tie instantly with that. Throw that on in front as a little hackle collar, and guess what? You've just broken up the pattern, and boy, is that become fishy. So, colors out the wazoo. Usability factor, 110%. You're going to use everything that's in this bag. And if you're new to fly tying and you're not sure where to start, what a great way to introduce yourself to a bunch of different feathers that react differently when you put them on a fly. This would be hands down maybe one of the best values in fly tying in my humble opinion. So there you go, folks. Grab one of these. You're going to love it. If you're new to fly tying, grab one, learn on this, and then you'll become, better acquainted with, oh, I know exactly what type of feathers I want for what I really enjoy tying. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to hit like and subscribe. Thank you.